This is the reality they never show you. 4 years ago, I believed the lie that trading was about getting rich quick. It took me years to learn you're not going to get rich quick from trading. It took me years of time and effort to build a life where a Saturday morning means peace, not panic. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 brutal lessons that cost me 3 years to learn. First, I want to introduce you to someone new. He's my young brother called Junior. Just recently came in from Kenya. He actually is my neighbor. He stays close to me. So before we jump into the video, let me go get him. We're gonna break down the verified track record on my FX book, and I'll walk you through every single trade we took in the premium group, logged right here on Notion. We're going to prove that success is just about the mental discipline, risk management, and strategy. Watch this, because if you don't flip the way you think about trading right now, you're going to forever be stuck in that unprofitable stage. Guys, we're here with Junior FX, the youngest trader around town. Yeah. So Junior is my brother, is my young brother. I've been trading with him for some really long time. He just disappeared to Kenya, like I told you, and now he's back. So tell me, bro, more about yourself and your trading journey.
I'm Junior, 17. I've been trading for over 2 years now. Since we started learning, remember?
So we have a lot to learn from you.
Basically. I know that things may be hard, but you just need to look in. And honestly, throughout my trading journey, I've realized that you need someone to help you and guide you in whatever you're doing. Today, we're going to be reviewing your FX book.
My FX book and the trades we take in the premium group.
Today you made 5K, bro. I saw you running in profits.
First, gonna review our My FX book. Just in case you don't know My FX book, this is where professional traders track their trades.
Bro, this is crazy. I see you're up 20%, is it?
20% for the month.
For the month, that's crazy.
When you scroll down, you can see it. We have a deposit of $10,000 and a profit of $2,261. And this is the account for my investors. I'm just tracking like our trades to see in a long period of time how much percentage is it gonna bring on. This month we're up 22.59%. The profitability, we are sitting at like 52% win rate.
52%,
which is actually good.
We win like half of your trades.
I win half of my trades. So the profit factor 1.49. The number of short trades won is like 12 out of 29 trades. Then the long wins are more profitable when buying, and we only trade gold. You know, guys, gold has been rallying up ever since. It's going up. It's not going back. So we have 32 long trades won out of 63. So when I'm buying, I have a win rate of 50%. When I'm selling, I have a win rate of 41%, which is not bad.
It's not bad.
So most money I've made in a single trade, that's like 1,266. Imagine you want to start like investing in my strategy, and you have a minimum capital of $100,000. That's $100,000. So let's see in 2 years how much money you would have made. So in 2 years, you would have made 20K. 20K in 2 years. And this just based off of just 1 month data. Let's wait for this. Let's just give the system.
How long are you going to be?
I'm going to track this up to like years to come. I'll have this system, and I'll have so many investors. Because true. When you have that track record for a very, really long period, and I'm tracking it here on YouTube, this video is going to stay. They will
shall come back. In Bali.
We'll be chilling in Bali, and we'll remind them about this exact video. So let's see. Basically, that's it. Now let's head over to the premium signals. So this was our first trade. You see, gold. I took it in London. The direction long. This is how I track my trades. So many people have been asking, how do you journal? I'm going to share you the template.
I also need the template because I don't have it.
I'm going to give it to you, bro.
All right.
So on this particular trade, I made a total profit of 2,300. So I'm just combining all the accounts I trade for my investors, my personal accounts. I left out the funded accounts because the profits will look crazy. I have 200K, like 0.5%. 0.5% of 200K is like 1K. Times 3 days 3K. And then if you post that you've lost 4K in big numbers, and people were like, you scam. This is for my investors. So on Monday, this only one trade we made 2,300. Share all these trades in my Signal group on Telegram.
Okay. I have a question for you.
Yeah, you can ask.
What do you think is the you've been trading prop firms, right?
Yeah.
What do you think is the best prop firm like to use currently?
Right now, currently I'm using FTMO and funding pips. Those are the only two ones I would recommend.
I've tried Blue Guardian, but
no, I've not yet tried Blue Guardian. But do they pay? I really want to get a prop firm with them. If you don't really know Junior FX, really wanna link up or talk to him, you can check out his Instagram. What's the Instagram handle?
Riz Akram.
Riz Up Girls.
No, Riz Akram Markets.
So this was the first gold trade we had. I shared these entries. As you can see, it's live, guys. Buy gold at 4051. Setup triggered. Join my premium signals. I'm going to spoon feed you with the entries. I'm going to spoon feed you with the risk management. I'm going to spoon feed you with the trade management as well. So I'm going to alert you when to set BE, when to collect half of your profits. As you can see here, close half of your profits and set BE. And this is our live accounts.
How much do they need to pay to join your premium group?
I have a sale, Cyber Monday sale. The lifetime subscription fee is like $300, but you can get at $90. We have a 70% off discount. Just check in the link in description.
By the way, that's very, very cheap considering how much money these guys will get from this.
And considering the profitability, because we always win and lose. I won't promise, I won't guarantee strict wins. We're always gonna lose, bro, because you know you've been into the trading game and you know what it takes to lose. You know what it takes to make money. It's
you
not
take a couple of losses. You take a couple of losses. You take a couple of wins, but all in all, it's all about keeping funds.
So Monday, I had 2 trades and they were all winners. So this second trade, we just took partials, $100 off. I always wait for 2-hour trades. So total risk on all my accounts, it's $1,000. And then the total profit on all the accounts, $2,000. So we had 2 consecutive losses here, and then 1 trade in the evening brought it back also. We closed Tuesday at break even. And coming on Wednesday, we again started with a very, very big loss. It's not a very big loss. It's
it's what you
it's what a risk. $1,000 is a lot of money, bro. To lose in a trade. Then again, actually this is a live trade. So guys, I always do live trades like 3 times in a week. We always go live on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, keep those notifications on to avoid missing out. I gave out this trade live. You can check in the Telegram and see it's real. So see, this is the live trade. FXAU live trading, executing our A+ SMC system, and this is the trade still, like, this is it after hitting TP 1.2 hour. It was a 2-hour trade. So I need these guys to know that we do trade and it's not like gambling or what. This is not scam. Have you ever had some people say like trading is scam? What?
Man, lots of people, even my mom used to say that like trading is a scam, you should stop. But she actually when she saw the progress and all the work that was coming from it,
a lot of young people out there are facing the same issues, bro. Parents are not supportive because they know this business is gambling. It's like betting. But this is not betting. Actually, you should refer them to my channel because what I'm doing is real and I'm tracking this. I'm tracking my journey and everything.
You just need a strong system.
We closed
back it up with
Wednesday in profits of like $1,000, and I gave her this trade live. So on Thursday again, we had another live trade. I was live and this was a break-even trade. Price first went into profits, but then I saw a change in trend on the M5 and it was aligning with the H4. So I saw price coming bearish. I highlighted those guys to with the trade. So we had just that one trade on Thursday. Last trade for the week was gold
TP, you again I wanted to?
Yeah, 1 to 2.
That's crazy, bro. Like the system, we've been backtesting this for 1 month, right?
Then backtesting, I've been backtesting for 3 years.
For 3? No, I'm saying like you've
tracking
this.
Yeah, for like 1 month.
For 1 month?
Yeah, I started in November tracking the system. So I just want to see how it goes. And
this is crazy.
The results are crazy.
The results are crazy. Now just imagine if you scale it up to a bigger account, then that will, because you can.
Now imagine if I was risking 20K per trade, and that's what I'm aiming for actually.
Yeah.
I'm aiming for a risk of 20K per trade.
Yeah.
Making 40K a day, bro.
Why do most people think that trading is a scam?
And most people, especially the investors, have you ever heard about account management? Yeah. So basically everyone gets discouraged or demotivated by trading because of these account managers who are inbox people saying I can flip your account from $100 to this in like 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah. So they give people false expectations. Someone is expecting to make like $1,000 from just $100 deposit in just 1 day. It's not NFP, it's not just a normal trading day, and you expect that, but it's not normal. You really want to invest in trading and avoid losing money. Just sketch for the legit traders. And like in our video recently with Branny, we talked about how to get or how to spot a real trader. First of all, they should show you their track record, verified trades. If if you don't have that, maybe a real account showing the results. You just don't want to invest it blindly into some. You're going to lose a lot of money. If you really want to invest somewhere safe, we have an investment program, FXAU fund management. We have a verified track record.
Bro, you win half of the trades that you take, bro. That's so almost insane now. I was saying if you scale it up and get a bigger account, you can make a lot of money, because most traders don't even have a 55.
I'm already silently scaling it up. I have prop farms. Prop farms give you that leverage to big capital. So my aim, actually my goal in 2026 is risking 20K per trade.
That's crazy numbers. Once you start,
because you see, like we had 5 wins, 3 losses. That's a nice start off, because you're not going to lose all the time. And I've not had like 5 consecutive losses. Never. It doesn't happen. If you really wanna join my premium signals, we have a discount. Moving on, you get 70% off. Actually, this is for my mentorship. I'm looking forward to teaching 40 people, and I'm giving actually a 70% off to the first 40 people who will come to me. Check the link in description, get our contacts, and we see. On top of this, you're going to get 3 free months in the premium group. So Junior, what advice would you give? Because today we want to talk about 3 things: risk management, discipline, and then the strategy. Strategy wise, we're going to talk about backtesting. How can you build a very good strategy? Backtesting. And how to build a discipline and mindset it takes to trade that strategy on a real account. Basically, that's it. Also, the risk management part of it, because risk management is what keeps us going, and
it's number one.
Number one.
So, in my view and through my experiences, I usually trade prop firms. I trade prop firms like all the time. That's basically what I focus on. I would say you should always focus on risking less. Do not try to over leverage your capital. Most of you guys trade, but then you over leverage what you have. Like I have a friend who had $100 and they wanted to flip it in 1 day to 1,000. And I
always get that. So.
You have like people who want to flip money very quickly. Then when you start doing that, it becomes more of a gambling game, because you are not 100% sure, right? But then if you take smaller trades, risking less, you will be able to build this capital throughout time, and with consistency and discipline, and risking less. Like the secret is about risking less. Just try to risk less.
Risk less. That basically don't expose your capital into the market, the whole of your capital into the market. And this is the advice I always give to beginners who have not grown mentally and you can't handle emotions. Just deposit like 10% of your money into the broker's account, then keep the rest. When you blow that, then try again, like deposit 10% of your capital again and again and again. If you make money, withdraw and keep in a separate account up to when you develop the confidence in the strategy and everything to avoid messing out. So you talked about the risk management part of it. And now let's see about the strategy. Which strategy are you trading with currently? You can give us some simple checklist of what you look at.
So when I'm trading, I look at basically 4 things. I first go to the 4-hour time frame because I trade SMC most of the times. So I go to the 4-hour time. I have to look for a liquidity sweep in the 4-hour, because after a liquidity sweep, price is automatically going to reverse, right? So I just capitalize on those movements, or sometimes I trade towards the liquidity. So there is a time like market creates these wicks and all that. So you can just identify those areas as points of liquidity, because there's a lot of stop losses lying around these areas. So you can just trade towards the wick, and it's actually working out. I've been back testing.
I know, bro. I've been seeing the results are crazy. And if you really want to check his results, check him out on Instagram. Riz Akram. So another question, bro. Now you've explained your strategy. How did you manage to build that strategy? How did you manage to collect that edge? Which tools did you use to backtest? And how do you do it actually? Basically, we need your advice.
So it took a lot of time because I was taking a lot of information from YouTube. I was searching about the best traders and seeing how they used to trade and all that. And then I implemented those strategies into my own strategy, whereby I just look at what they do and focus on improving, like in the way that I understand. Because everyone has a way that they understand their own strategy. So basically that is what I did, and it worked out.
Okay, so you heard from the guy himself how he does it, and you can pick something, note down, pick a book and note down, because the next lesson, this takes like 90% of trading. You know, usually people don't give that much attention to trading psychology.
Just want to know, how did you manage to control your emotions? How you made profits?
Oh, you mean that account I go from 5K up to 17, I remember.
It was
like 2023. I had an investor bring money. I had a very, very good trading mindset. That's when actually I started. I've been talking about this. 2023 was the year I started learning about trading psychology and everything. So this is when everything started shifting. My mindset shifted from the trader who's always gambling, forcing setups, revenge trading, always wanting money quickly, and it shifted to a trader who's going to be patient, wait for the setups, follow the routine, and so many things I can't even talk about right now. I learned a lot. So if you really want to grow an account, you just need to first work on your mindset. Just build a high performance mindset, like the mindset you need. Do you know footballers? Ronaldo, Messi.
That mindset of dedication.
That's the mindset you need to win in trading. And that's what I built. Basically, that's what helped me make money. That's what is helping me trade 10K accounts, 20K accounts with ease, no pressure, because I know in the long run I'm going to win. The losses don't touch me.
Do you believe that trading is more psychological than...
trading is more psychological than technical. All these technicals are easy. You just explain your strategy, and a new by someone who is serious can just see it, go back test and learn it. But I can't just talk what I'm talking about psychology. You put it in your mind and go like apply it. No, you just need to practice. It takes years, bro. It doesn't take months. I don't want to promise you. It takes years of practicing to get that Messi mindset, bro.
True.
Just doesn't come just there. So we've talked about the mindset. If you really want to learn more, I'm having a boot camp coming in shortly just for trading psychology. In the next video, we're gonna be giving you a vlog touring some parts of Uganda. I didn't really want to show Junior around before we fly to Thailand.
We're going to Bali.
When we first go to Thailand, though.
Thailand.
Yeah,
Thailand is risky, don't you know? Have you heard of people who with pangas?
The chic girls.
Yeah.
That's what scares me the most.
Yeah, there's a lot of transgenders, bro. Like,
we're gonna start interviewing other traders all over the world as well.
Yeah.
On this very channel to get their discipline. What discipline are they using, or what experience do they have in the markets? The advice they have for us. Who do you think we should interview next?
In Uganda,
We're currently contacting TGR.
TJR.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we want
we
to bring him on.
TJR, bro, that would be insane.
Yeah.
Alex, there's
Alex FX. But first we're gonna do Ugandan traders, and then East African traders, the Kenyan traders, South Africa. Our dad is SA. Yeah, how is that, by the way? So then we go to South Africa, interview those guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna moving
around
the world,
trying to
so just
vlog.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Keep up. This is the beginning of something very, very great. Find you in the next video.